across the turning wheels of time. A silent thread begins to weave. Moments echo from distant shores, held within what we carry deep. A word once spoken, a path once walked, returns as shape, as place, as tone. Nothing lost, nothing breaks. Every seed finds its way home. A single thread through countless forms, guided by a higher head. What was sown in distant moments finds its place where we now stand. Through memory and inner fire, the soul continues on its way. One unfolding journey across all time, across all days. From many worlds and many names, a pattern gathers into one, chosen by the light within. Before this life has just begun, desire shapes the outer world, aspiration shapes the inner sky. One pulls downward into form, one lifts the spirit high. A single thread through countless forms, woven gently, never torn. Every lesson finds its hour. Every soul is slowly born. Through subtle fire and quiet will, the path reveals what is to be. A living current moving on toward truth and unity. Every meeting, every place, the past returns in perfect time to soften, teach, and realign. The thread remains, the light remains. Beyond all loss, beyond all fear, what was carried from long ago guiding